Hello friends, today we will learn how to make a small meeting room as a sample for you, and then later on you can make it in large, big one, how much you want. So let's start. First of all, we go to open the SketchUp, we go to the top view. And from here we set a rectangle. And I make a rectangle of the size of a meeting room, small room. Actually this layout already available with me in CAD format. In this corner there is a small column showing in this in my drawing, so I will use it also. I will make the wall thickness, because on one side there is a glass, so here I will take wall outside by 20 centimeter. Here is the glass, so I will go 2 centimeter outside. The thickness of glass, because this side will be the glass partition. Here also I don't make like a wall on that side, because to show the view only, because actually in the plan there is a solid wall over there. So now this is ready. So now this I join this point, so and I will join from here to here with line option to keep them separate, and here in the mid I will put a line. Then I will shift and I will make one more line 1 centimeter. Then I move it here by 1 centimeter, so 2 centimeter total thickness will come in the center for the glass. I will select it and extrude this area. First, better if we give them some color, so it will come homogeneous color in the wall, not to change afterwards. So I will go to colors, and you can give some light color to this area as per your requirements. So I have provided one color to this base, and here there I don't need this time color. I will check later, see later. This area will be used as a glass, so I will go to glass. Translucent glass I will give with the blue color or any color which you want. It coming here, no, I need only, actually it's not combined, so I will just make a rectangle so that this portion will be separated. Again take this one and I will put it over there. So now this glass is ready also. Now I will extrude this area by 20 centimeter only for the base, to just keep a safe distance for the glass. And glass I will raise for 3 meter high, and here again 20 centimeter. Just a framing around this one for the safety of the glass, and this column I also raise for 3 meters. This area will be again glass partition, so I will make it with a glass and raise it up to 3 meter height. So you can see now this elevation is ready on two sides. Actually this bottom area color is not done, so we just go to color option and make this area also color as same as the color of the column. So no, I already have downloaded some. I forget to save this model. So I will save it somewhere at the meeting room. From here we will go to 3D warehouse, and I will write the tables. So you can select some table for the meeting room here. There are plenty of options, whichever you want you can choose. Didn't find anyone suitable, so now we will go again. This table is looking little convenient, so I will download it as SketchUp 2021. You have to download as per your model. Now it's open another file. First I will select it all and make as a component, because normally they make in 2 to 3 pieces. So just I will give some color to it. Any wooden color you want, you can give this to it. Any of the color, any choice of your color is no problem. So I copy it and paste it there. Now the direction is not okay, so I will try it. No, you can see this is a 2 separate portions, so I will select both. And I will move it outside. Now I select it. I will convert into a component. You know what's the best method benefit to making component? They are all coming into your plan, and any time you can select any of the component from your this SketchUp. No need to go again back. They are coming on the side in the component options. I will show you later in some next video how to use the component folder or the component toolbar. Now I have rotated it, so now better if I put a center line to keep this in the center for my reference. I will select it and I will take it there. You have to take care in which axis you are moving, because that's very important, because there are 3 axes. In which axis you will move, it will move out. So now you can see that this one. So I will shift it from, take it from here and bring it in the center. So it's approximately in the center of the room. Now I have to bring the chairs. I have another file in which so you can see I have opened a chair in my other drawing. So I will copy and paste it there, that chair. But first I have to see the size of my table also, because my respective table is 80 centimeter by 120 centimeters. So I will adjust my table accordingly. Actually this was my friend needs some task to do. He wants some 3D design for his one of his project, but what he give me, actually what requirement are going with the 3D Max, what he need, because they have already selected some furniture. So now I stretch it out up to my required size of 1.2 meter by 80 centimeter. So these dimensions of all the rooms and layout, everything I have taken from his drawing to make practice for myself and to get some knowledge, and also I make a video for my viewers, so you also can get some idea how to do the things, because you know there's a beautiful wording, practice makes a man perfect. No one is born as a learned man from his birth. We have to practice, we have to learn to get better things. Now we stretch this wind little. First I move it up. See, now I place it up approximately on the floor. We use stretch command and stretch it little up and down the chair. Now I move it here on the side, because there are 2 plus 2 4 plus 6 chairs in that one, because 120 means 60 centimeter for one chair is more than enough for one person to sit in the meeting room. It's pretty close, but it works. I will copy and move it there on the other side. Then I use the command of flip along, and you see I rotated the direction. No, but you can see these are on high level, it's gone, because this I didn't take care of the angle, sorry, which axis I am moving the chairs. If I take care that time, they will not go up. So now I will shift them down, but you have to take care of in which axis you are moving the things. That's very important. So just I am adjusting the things little, because this table was not perfectly on the placement. So you can see with the axis and how we are moving, it matters too much. So it was going below the surface. So you can see there are some up and down things are there. So just move little down. Okay, now it's on the placement, and these two chairs are looking like above the ground, not touching the floor. Now I have to move it horizontally upside. See, I am not a very perfect person in this field. I am also a student and learning these things from there. So like other tutorials, other people who make the videos, they cannot make very 100% perfect and show to you like I am very perfect, which so mistakes happen, and I'm happening some things, but we can make them correct here and there, placement and everything. So like this you will get more understanding that how to do the things. So now we rotate this chair on a 90-degree angle, so that we put on the right and left. So this is done for the other side. Just select it and take the move command, and we put it there on the other side. We put it upside, then we just rotate the area, sorry, our design, and we can place it according to the perfect placement. But still it's upside, so just rotate it and bring it down. Just take care of the axis, in which axis you have to move. You see, if I just get a wrong axis and it will move in other direction. So there I have copied already my mistake, because I pressed the control key. Now I will make it in the center. Yes, it's done. So now we have to put this chair on the other side. I just take copy and bring it on the other side. If I bring the follow the axis, they will come on the same level, same direction, same everything. But just small mistake in the axis movement, it is not good. So you can see rotated already. So now you can see our table and chair placement, everything is ready over there. We'll go to materials, and we use some color for the floor. I use blue color, this is gray color, so whichever you want we can choose it.